Hi, it's Debbie. Back for day 28 of 30 days. 4 weeks. No sugar, no rice, no rice at all, no bread, no sugar. Should I mention that again? No sugar. Um, yeah, actually, it's going pretty well. I was surprised. Pretty surprised it's going well. What do I miss the most? Probably rice. It's funny because I don't really eat a lot of rice. I like rice. Okay, what do we have on the menu for today? Today we have oatmeal, apple, the ham turkey cheese roll ups, and we're going to have a salad with chicken, grilled chicken, breast strips, and egg. And then we're going to have mixed nuts for a snack, cherry tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. All of that in one day. Oh, excuse me. I really like that I have a sink right here. I can wash my hands a million times. Sometimes I have to wash my hands a million times. Okay, so what do we want to start with? Oatmeal. This is the maple and brown sugar. No sugar. No. Yeah, just healthy carbs. So that's your potato or your starchy thing for the day. And then an apple to go with that. And then for lunch, we're going to do the turkey and cheese roll-ups. This is actually one of Halkea's favorite things to help me make. He's not here today, so we have to make it on our own. It might be a little bit faster without him helping. Won't be as much fun though, but it'll be a little bit faster. Or maybe not. So I take 2 slices of cheese. And cut them in half. The turkey and ham you can have as much as you want, but the cheese you're supposed to limit to a serving a dairy a day. So if I had yogurt today, we wouldn't be having cheese turkey roll, ham roll-ups. Put ham, cheese. These are really good. Surprisingly filling. And they taste good. Easy to eat. Easy to take with you to eat. I guess the trick is to find your favorite snack that you like to eat or your favorite meal so that it makes it easier. If you're eating stuff that you don't like every day, it's just not going to work on a diet. I see some diets that say, oh, eat cottage cheese and eat grapefruit, and I want to eat grapefruit or cottage cheese, so much for that diet. Turkey is good. Thin sliced turkey. So you just roll them up. Where's my container to put them in? I think I'm going to roll out of containers again. How did I run out of containers? I sell Tupperware. That would be amazing to run out of containers. I don't think that would happen ever. And then I keep looking around like maybe I put it somewhere and I can grab it. Because usually this is the one I use for my snacks. But I can't use that for my snacks today because I need it for my cheese roll-up. Cheese and ham roll-up. And they fit in here. Okay, so I guess we're going to put some of the snacks in there. I did something wrong. I don't know where I put that. I put some carrots. With the cheese roll-ups. That makes a good combination. I don't like when I forget stuff. Okay, carrots. So I have carrot sticks and cheese roll-ups. And I know there was a lid. You know, I could blame my grandsons, but they're not here right now. It's kind of hard to blame them. Okay, we'll work around it. We have to. I'm making a bigger salad. I like the nuts though. A bigger salad so that I can take it with me. Because I make a bunch of these at the beginning of the week. And my son is here. So I want to have food ready, packed and ready to go so that I can jump and go with him and not jump and eat any kind of food. So this fits on here. It has a knife and a fork, salad, and we're going to do the egg. This is a new, I haven't seen one from Tupperware before, egg slicer. Very good quality. And I had the egg done already because we make the 10 eggs in 10 minutes in the Smart Steamer. You don't have to worry about if they're cooked or not because they are cooked perfectly. And then you can just put that on your salad to make it look pretty. Yeah. And then we are going to put some chicken strips. This is 1 cup. It's 1 cup. 1 cup. And 1 cup of chicken is more than enough. This is already grilled and ready to go. You can make your own. I've already shown you how to do that. So if you don't have a lot of time, you could fill up ones like this and throw them in the freezer. Come home from the store, you can pack a whole bunch. And then when I want to go with my son to wherever he's going, I can grab this. I can grab all my food. Actually, although we usually eat at home. That would be kind of hard to take the oatmeal, but we could grab all this food. That's lunch, dinner, dinner, lunch, and breakfast is the oatmeal and apple. And then we need to put, you know how many containers I have for snacks? These kind of containers. I have like 15. The fact that I only have one up here without the lid is incredible. Just not working. Cucumber, the tiny cucumbers you can eat with the skin on. They're really sweet. Sometimes the regular cucumbers get bitter. These aren't. These are really good. And then, of course, my favorite, cherry tomatoes. You've noticed that this container, you've seen how much I've taken out every day. Not that much. They're really good. They stay really fresh in this Fridge Smart. I'm gonna have to start buying like 2 containers every time from Costco, because everybody keeps eating it. Okay, I think that's it. breakfast, lunch, dinner. Day 28. I get to weigh myself after day 28 for the end of 4 weeks. Tomorrow starts the 5th week, and the last 2 days of the 30-day diet. I decided that I'm not doing 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, but I'll do a 31 to report on how I did for the month and plan for the last 3 days of week 5. And then each week I'll do a video, my progress goals, and what I plan to eat for the week. Um, it really helps hold me accountable. And you don't want to watch it, you don't have to watch it, but it holds me accountable. And I really do think Tupperware helps a lot in making all this meal prep so much easier and healthy for you. So thank you. Have a great day. And again, if you watched all the way to the end, thank you very much. Bye bye.